the most of the students are asking, so we are having so many confusions while calculating the result of current even semester. So that's why I made this video only for sorting out the confusion regarding the result of current even semester. But one thing you should understand that, so while taking the marks of the semester end examination of the art semester, you should consider only external marks. Only external marks, not the total marks, not the internal marks of the art semester. Only external marks you should consider of the semester end examination of art semester. So for the here I have taken first sem as an example. You should include both theory and practical subject. So here I have taken two cases. One case for the all clear subject, the students who is having clear all subjects. The case 2, the students who is having 2 backlogs, 3 backlogs or 4 more than 3 backlogs. For such cases I have taken as a case 2 here. So as per the first semester you are having 8 subjects. So I have taken the external marks out of 60 because the 40 are for the internal and the 60 for the external marks. For 60, so for 18 Mat 11, 42, for this subject 48, for this subject 46, for electronics 38, for mechanical elements of mechanical 41, the chemistry lab 58, CPL lab 60, engineering English 42. So this is what about the external marks he scored out of 60 in the previous art semester. So those marks he got for 60, no, that should be scaled to 50. So 42 becomes 35 if it converted to 50. What is the formula? So 42 into 50 divided by 60. So similarly that particular formula you should apply for all the marks. So 48 converted to 50, it becomes 40. 46 becomes 38.33, 38 becomes 31.66, 41 becomes 34.16, 58 becomes 48.33, 60 becomes 50, 42 becomes 35. And if you add all these subjects, all these marks of the 8 subjects and divided by number of subjects, that is what 8. So it becomes 39.06. So we'll taken it as a next integer value, that is what 40. So 40 is the average of the previous art semester external marks of all the subjects. Next, so we'll take the current intermediate semester internal marks, that is for the second semester. So we have to consider only internal marks. So same we'll take the same subject for the reference exam point of example point of view. So for these subjects the internal marks are 38, 35, 40, 40, 38, 37, 40, 37. So this is the internal marks of the second semester. Second semester. That is what even semester. So these marks should be scaled to 50. So 38 becomes 47.5, 35 becomes 43.5. So what is the formula? 38 marks. If you want to convert 38 to 50, 38 into 50 divided by 40. So this is what the converted marks to 50. So next we'll take the next integer value as per the circular. 47.5 becomes 48, 43.75 becomes 44, 50 becomes as it is, 47.5 48, 46.25 becomes 47, 46.25 becomes 47. So these are the marks of the internal marks of the second semester, which is scaled to 50. As per the circular, if you want to have a result of current even semester, we should take the semester end examination odd external marks, that is scaled to 50, and current internal marks, that is scaled to 50. So 40 is the average of the art semester, previous art semester. So the average 40 should be same for all the subjects. So 40, so this is the internal marks. 40 plus 48 88, 40 plus 44 84, 40 plus 50 90, 40 plus 50 90, 40 plus 48 58, 40 plus 47 87, 40 plus 50 90, 40 plus 47 87. So this is what the total marks including CIE plus semester end examination of the previous art semester. So if you add all this, you will get a 704. So out of 800, so percentage 88. If you want to convert this percentage to SGPA depending upon the credits and grade points, I already did one video regarding the SGPA and CGPA, how to calculate SGPA and CGPA. So just refer that particular video. So I will save that particular link in the description box. Just go through that video. So this is what the result of current even semester for the case 1, means the subject which cleared all the subject. Next we'll come to the second case. So first of all, we'll consider only external marks, theory and practical, including theory and practical for the semester end examination of odd semester. I have taken first sem as an example. So if the student is having 2 or 3 backlogs subject, so I have taken the same 8 subjects, external marks for 60. So for this maths subject he got 19 is a failed subject, chemistry 30, CPS computer programming is 12, electronics 14, mechanical engineering 28, chemistry lab 27, CPL lab 35, engineering English 40. So these are the marks he scored out of 60 marks for the external examination, only external. So 19, 12, 4, these are the backlog subjects. If you scale to this to 50, so 19 becomes 15.83, 30 becomes 25, 12 becomes 10, 14 becomes 11.66, 28 becomes 33.33, 27 becomes 20.5, 35 becomes 29.16, 40 becomes 33.33. If you take the average of all these subjects out of divide by 8, we'll get a 21.35. We'll put the next integer value, that is 22. Okay. Next. So what is the formula to convert 19 to out of scale to 50? 19 into 50 divided by 60. Similarly, 30 into 50 divided by 60. 12 into 50 divided by 60. 14 into 50 to 60. We can apply the same formula to convert it to 50. Next, current intermediate semester internal marks, second semester. We have to consider only internal marks. We have taken the same 8 subjects. Internal marks, this is for second semester. You should understand that this is second semester. So because the code becomes 21, 22, I have taken only that same subject, but you should understand that this is the internal marks of the second semester. Internal marks 30, 35, 40, 40, we have to scale it to 50 as it is. Next we have to put the next integer value as it is. So this is what the integer value, or the internal marks of the current intermediate semester or even semester, which is scaled to 50. Next, if you want to have a result of current even semester, so we should take the semester end examination odd external marks, which is scaled to 50. So this is what the average marks 22. We'll put the same average for all the subjects. So similarly, we have to have a current internal marks that is scaled to 50 as it is. If you add these two, we'll get the total marks. That is what sum of CI plus semester end examination of the previous odd semester external marks, which is scaled to 50. So for 22 plus 40 becomes 70, 22, 44, 66. If you add all this, we'll get this column. If you add all these marks, we'll get a total 560 out of 800, we'll get a percentage 70. Again, you can convert it to SGPA and CGPA as per your requirement. That is already explained in the one more video. Just go through that link. Thank you very much. If you are having still any deep confusion regarding the result of current even semester, so just put your comments in the comment box. So we'll go through the comment box and we'll do one as per your requirement. Thank you.